Hello everybody, welcome to AccuReggie. I'm sorry for this delayed video on this storm, but man, I gotta tell you guys, this is a strong, powerful monster storm. Something that is, well, it happens in March, but this strong, this powerful, and this type of track, which I'll explain to you, this track is what makes the storm special. It's going to be a special weather event, not something you see every year for sure. So this is the storm right now. Heavy rains from New York City down to Philadelphia. It is just pouring rain. Temperatures are in the lower 40s. And there's more rain over central PA. And then there's snow in western PA and western upstate New York. Rochester, Buffalo, areas like that. And a little south of there to about the Pennsylvania border. It's changing over to snow. All right, so I'm going to go to the model here and you'll see. Now, what I want you to do is pay attention to the blue line right here because this is the rain-snow line typically. All right, and now watch what happens as I put this in motion. See how the rain-snow line crashes to the coast and the storm jumps offshore, but watch what happens. Typically when a storm forms here, right, it typically just rides right out to sea, but look what happens here. It actually starts to move closer to the coast. It spins back, and then it jumps a little bit there, then it just kind of stays right there, but notice the blue line is here, and there's moisture forming, actually wrapping around the storm. So the back side of the storm, it continues to throw moisture, okay, right off the ocean, and it wraps around the storm. And Philadelphia here, New York City, the Poconos are on the cold side of the storm when it's way out to sea. So we're going to go from the heavy rain washes up through, and then the moisture wraps all the way back around, and it comes back as snow. And that's what we're going to see tomorrow. Now, of course, areas where it's colder are going to get more snow, and it's going to accumulate, like the Poconos, Allentown. We'll see 2 to 4 inches. The Poconos will see 6 to 10 inches. Philadelphia is a tough forecast because, believe it or not, we could get 5 or 6 hours of snow, but I don't really think it's going to accumulate that much, or if it does, it'll be a slushy 1 to 3 inches, coating to 2 inches type of event. So I think it'll be impressive, especially with the winds. The winds are going to be very, very strong. 50-mile-an-hour winds with snow, and it's 35 degrees. It might not be sticking, but it's going to look mighty impressive out there. So just be aware, and that is from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. is sort of the snow window, the changeover window, and it should be out of here by 10 p.m. So first it comes in with rain. I'll back this up. Here's the rain swinging through, and then watch what happens. Look how this moisture over upstate New York and Massachusetts swings down. See how it swings down back into the region, and it'll come back as snow. So just to recap here, New York City to Philadelphia, 1 to 3 inches. Allentown, north of the Turnpike, heading to Allentown, 2 to 4 inches. Poconos, mountain areas, ridge and valley locations of northeast PA, general 6 to 10 inches higher, up in the mountains. You probably see a foot of snow from this storm. So stay safe out there. It's gonna look very impressive tomorrow. The snow will come. All right, folks, I'll talk to you soon and keep you updated.